Once nestled in the serene mountains of Japan, there existed a small, humble monastery. It was a place where the whispers of the wind carried ancient teachings of Zen, and the rustling leaves seemed to echo the wisdom of the ages. In this tranquil haven, a young monk named Taro diligently practiced under the guidance of his wise and revered master Sensei Aikyo. Taro had always been an eager student, observing every lesson and practicing with great confidence. Yet, despite his dedication, often found himself troubled by the complexities of life and the tumultuous thoughts that plagued his mind. One day, sensing Taro's inner turmoil, Sensei Aikyo called him for a walk in the monastery's lush garden. As they strolled amongst the vibrant blossoms and the gentle hum of nature, Sensei Aikyo began to speak. Taro, I see that your mind is clouded with worries and doubts. Today I will share with you a story that holds an essence of Zen wisdom. Taro nodded, eager to receive the teachings of his master. Many years ago, Sensei Aikyo began. There was a young monk much like yourself. His name was Hiroshi. Hiroshi was diligent and committed, but he needed help understanding the true meaning of Zen. He constantly sought answers, asking questions and trying to grasp the elusive nature of enlightenment. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Hiroshi approached his master, Sensei Kinji, with yet another question. Sensei, what is the secret to achieving a peaceful and enlightened mind? Hiroshi asked earnestly. Sensei Kinji smiled gently and responded, Meet me by the riverbank at dawn and I will show you the way. Curious and hopeful, Hiroshi arrived at the riverbank. The following day, he found Sensei Kinji sitting calmly by the water, observing the river's gentle flow. Sensei Kinji motioned for Hiroshi to sit beside him. Look at the river, Hiroshi, Sensei Kinji said. Notice how it flows effortlessly, without resistance, carving its path through the land. The river does not struggle, it simply moves forward, embracing its journey. Hiroshi watched the river, mesmerized by its tranquility. But Sensei, he said, how does this relate to achieving a peaceful mind? Sensei Kinji picked up a small stone and tossed it into the water. The water rippled but soon returned to its calm state. Our minds are like this river, Sensei Kinji explained. When we encounter challenges or negative thoughts, they are like the stones causing ripples. But if we allow them to pass without resistance, our mind can return to their natural state of peace. Hiroshi pondered this, realizing that his constant striving and questioning were like stones disrupting the flow of his mind. Sensei Kinji continued, to clear your mind, do not fight your thoughts or emotions. Acknowledge them, let them pass, and focus on the present moment. Embrace the journey of the life as the river embraces its path. Taro listened intently, feeling a sense of clarity washing over him. Sensei Aikyo's story resonated deeply and began to understand that true wisdom and peace come from within, not from external answers or constant striving. Taro Sensei Aikyo said, Remember that life is a journey, not a destination. The answers you are looking for are already within you. Trust the process, let go of your worries, and allow your mind to flow like the river. As they continued their walk, Taro felt a newfound sense of peace. He realized that his journey was not about seeking answers, but about embracing the present moment and letting go of resistance. The wisdom of his master and the story of Hiroshi became guiding lights on its path to self-discovery and enlightenment. As so, Taro practiced his Zen story daily, finding peace in the simplicity of life and the gentle flow of his thoughts. The lesson of Sensei Ikkyo and the story of the river remained etched in his heart, guiding him towards a life of tranquility and profound understanding. Thank you for joining us on this journey of reflection and learning. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more tales of wisdom and inspiration. Remember, true peace comes from within, and the journey is just as important as the destination. Until next time, you may find serenity and clarity on your path.